Lesson 62, reading practice number 3. Dear Mrs. Framingham, making savings on business equipment these days is difficult, particularly when that business equipment is a motor vehicle, however, you can make those savings by taking advantage of our flat purchase program that is available through your neighborhood Myers dealer, period. Through this practical program, you can make an amazingly large saving on every vehicle you purchase. Paragraph. You don't have to be a big trucking company to take advantage of this program, period. If you own or operate as few as 10 vehicles, you met our qualifications, period. When you have an opportunity, we suggest that you visit your neighborhood Myers dealer and get all the salient facts about our program. Period. Sincerely yours,